Dragon Boat Festival is one of the three most important Chinese festivals, together with Spring Festival and Mid-Autumn Festival. It is traditionally celebrated on the fifth day of the fifth lunar month, thus also called Double Fifth Festival. It has a history of more than 2,000 years. The festival is widely accepted as a day to commemorate Qu Yuan, the great poet of Warring States period. He was frustrated with his ideals and committed suicide by drowning himself in the Miluo River. People were sad over the death of the patriotic poet. They crowded to the riverbank to pay respect to him. The fishermen sailed up and down the river in an attempt to find his remains. People threw zongzi into the Miluo River to feed the fish. They hoped Qu Yuan's body would not be eaten by fish or shrimp. An old doctor poured a jug of realga wine into the water, hoping to turn all aquatic beasts drunk. That's the origin of later customs such as dragon boat racing, eating zongzi, and drinking realga wine. Dragon boat racing is quite a spectacle, with drums beating, colorful flags waving, and thousands of people cheering on both sides of the river. Zongzi, as the traditional food for Dragon Boat Festival, is a pyramid-shaped rice pudding made of glutinous rice and wrapped in bamboo or reed leaves to give it a special flavor. It is variously stuffed with meat, ham, bean paste, salted egg yolk, sausage, nut, and vegetable.
Konfucijeve vam želim. To je zmajev čoln, ki sem ga izdelala za praznik zmajevih čolnov. V njem sedijo 3 pučke, prva igra na bobon, drugi 2 pa veslata. Pozadaj imajo zongzije, ki jih mečejo ribam. Vesel praznik zmajevih čolnov vam želim.